If you are someone who is struggling to stay fit and healthy with a busy schedule, then this video is for you. Hello everybody and Namaste. I am Sneha and I welcome you to my channel Anahat Health and Wellness. Life races by at 100 meters per hour and staying healthy and keeping fit can be an uphill struggle when you're busy. In this video, we share 10 tips that will help you find time so that you can stay in perfect health and keep fit. So watch this video till the end. The list. A great way to focus your time on the things you value, such as staying healthy and fit, is to create a list of everything you'd like to do in your free time, such as watching your favorite TV series or running. Once you've got your list, number each activity in terms of how much of a priority it is for you, starting at number 1 and working your way down. At the end of this task, you will have a list of the activities you value. Try to always fit in at least one of your top 3 priorities per day, even if it's just for 15 minutes. Less can be more. You do not always have to exercise for an hour to reap the benefits, and as soon as you understand this, you will be able to exercise more regularly, even when you have a jam-packed day. For example, you can do 4 minutes of kettlebell exercises, 4 minutes of abs, and maybe 2 minutes of squats or lunges. Third, learn some super quick recipes. Slaving over a hot oven is no fun, especially when you've had an awful day and arrive home late into the night. To make sure that on these days you don't reach for unhealthy convenience foods, learn some super quick recipes you can knock up in an instant. Fourth, use your mobile. If you tend to be on the phone a lot, think about ways you can get active during these long calls. Getting out of the office and going for a walk somewhere quiet can be a great way to get some exercise without losing any concentration whilst on the phone. Or even pacing in your office whilst on the phone can help you keep active and healthy. Fifth, optimum foods. When you're busy, your diet can suffer and vending machines, pizzas and takeaways can become too much of a regular occurrence. To make sure you're getting the right nutrition, make sure you always have a good stock of foods that deliver the maximum health benefits to hand. For example, tomatoes, spinach, blueberries, salmon and pumpkin seeds which are hugely nutritious and will keep you full. Pick a healthy hotel. A study published in the Journal of Occupational and Environmental Medicine found that people who travel away for work more than 20 times per month were 1.92 times more likely to be obese and 2.61 times more likely to feel like they had poor to fair health than those who only travel for 6 times per month. If you travel away from home for work, try to book hotels with gyms, healthy menu options, and when you are there, avoid comfort eating and instead reward yourself in other ways. Work out with your kids. If you watch your little ones running about, you quickly realize that they are better than any personal trainer. Playing with your kids, whether it's on the trampoline, dancing around your living room, or playing a big game of tag together, is a great way to work out without realizing it. Plus, this way you don't feel guilty about not spending enough time with them. Relax. When you are chasing a day full of meetings with a busy evening, your stress levels are probably sky high, and stress has a terrible impact on your health and well-being. Therefore, one of the best things you can do to stay healthy and fit is to learn how to relax. If you don't have time to meditate or take a hot bath, studies have found that even the anticipation of laughter can help us to relax and reduce stress. So, take a look at some funny YouTube videos to help you unwind. Supersets. On those occasions when you manage to carve a space in your busy schedule to exercise, make sure you are getting the most out of your workout by doing supersets. Supersetting can cut your exercise time by 50% because instead of having rest periods between sets, you do an alternative exercise that rests the muscles you have just trained and exercises the opposite one before you begin your next set. For example, once you worked on your stomach, work out on your lower back. Live an active lifestyle. If you struggle to find the time to get to the gym or to get to your dance class, then incorporating exercise into your lifestyle might help you to stay healthy and fit even when your schedule is maxed. For example, carry your shopping home rather than getting a cab. Do some gardening with your partner on your date night, or go swimming with a friend instead of meeting for coffee. If you have found this video useful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, because this is where I bring to you one new video every week to address your health and wellness concerns. So until my next video, thank you and namaste.